Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this Helping Hands Magnifier. So I got this because I do lots of little crafts and stuff, and so I needed something to kind of hold it up. So let me aim you guys down a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about here. So like this is how it comes, and it's got a weighted base, so that's kind of nice. So I use it like with my 3D printer and stuff. I'll be able to like put things in place. So let's see how we got this thing here. Let me see. Oh, I don't really even need the magnifier, but whatever, I'll leave it on here for right now. But let's see, so it would be like, so I can clip stuff and put it there. So like if I was working on, say, this, can you see what I'm doing? Oh, you probably can't even see. So if I was working on this, like this little jewelry piece here, I could clip it in there. And when I only need probably one side clipped in, but then I would put the bead on it and glue it on, and I would have the ability to do it. So, but like what I want to do is be able to do this and put it in front of my laser. Let's see, like that, and then I can put it in front of my laser and aim it however I want and get a good laser engraving, where otherwise trying to hold it, this in here wouldn't be so bad, I could just put it on the flat, but if I had something that was a weird shape like this, if I wanted to, you know, laser this, it would be kind of tough to do, you know, on a different edge or something. But it's pretty cool. So this will hold things. Actually, it'll hold like when I do the cables and stuff and things like that, because those things flip and turn all over the place. I can just kind of clip them in place and I'm ready to go. So, and it's got nice weight to it and stuff, and then if I really want to, I could be magnifying and doing my little precision underneath there while it's going. So very cool. So nice little device. So I'm going to say this is really cool. So this is, the whole box fell apart. It's the Magnifying, what is it called? Helping Hands Magnifier. So I'm going to say this is cool. Thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.